Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to upload an S5 PLC program using an easy method. First, ensure you have the correct programming cable and software, like Step 5. Connect your PC to the PLC's programming port, typically a 5-pin DIN connector. Power on both the PLC and your computer. Open the software and select the correct communication port, usually COM1 or COM2. This setup is crucial for a smooth data transfer. Once connected, open your Step 5 software. Navigate to the communication settings within the program. Here, you'll need to select the correct interface, often a serial port, and set the baud rate. A common baud rate is 9600. After configuring these settings, initiate a connection test. A successful test confirms your PC can communicate with the S5 PLC, paving the way for the upload process. With a confirmed connection, you can now proceed with the upload. In your Step 5 software, look for an option like Read from PLC or Upload Program. You might be prompted to select specific blocks or the entire program. Choose the desired option and initiate the transfer. Monitor the progress bar to ensure a complete upload. Once finished, save the program file to a clearly labeled folder on your computer for future use. After uploading, it's good practice to verify the program. Compare the uploaded code with any existing documentation or previous versions to ensure accuracy. Always back up your newly uploaded program to at least 2 different locations, like a cloud service and an external hard drive, for maximum security. This protects your work against data loss. And hey, if you're looking to bring your space to life with some smart tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.